G'day all, this is a M91. It's a vertical water-cooled hit-and-miss engine. It come from Jin in China, Microcosm or Eachine. It's got the radiator bars here. You fill the water up in there. It's got the pump that works in here. You can see that's turning. It drives the water up through the head, through here, down and through the radiator bars. It's really neat, looks nice, it's cool looking, and not only is it cool looking, it keeps the engine pretty cool. It's I like this engine. It's different than the other ones, the horizontal ones. It's just nice being vertical. What else have I done with this one? I've painted the base black just to differentiate it between the other ones. Put the on and off switch here. The other thing that I've done is I've got these two springs that I've got out of an old printer that I've recycled. And you see that they're, you might be able to see, I hope that video's picking that up. They're really soft. That's birds in the background up in the trees, but anyway, we'll get it started and we'll see what it's running like. Get that compression over. They're galahs, if you're not in Australia. They're galahs, they're one of the cockatoo family. So here we go. Get started. You'll see how it's jumping up and down there. These are two divers weights, two lead divers weights. They work perfect. It's just a simple method of control to stop these hit-and-miss engines jumping around. Take them back off and show you. Put them back on. I think that's running pretty slow. Pretty nice. Try and put a little bit of a load on there. Just pull on that rope. Off. Try that once more. You can definitely hear it firing a bit quicker. Bit of oil coming out the exhaust. I probably got a little bit too much oil in the mix, but I'm always pretty heavy-handed with things like that. I suppose too much oil is better than too little oil. Okay, back again. As you can see, looks like I'm definitely putting too much oil in with the mix because it's spraying everywhere. But what I've done, I've just put the stock heavier springs in. You can see it's definitely not as loose and sloppy as the springs that I put in a moment ago out of that recycled printer. So we'll give it a go now and see what it runs like with the stock standard springs in. Put it on. It's got fuel. Let's see if it starts first go. Okay, turned it off. As you can see, it's definitely running a lot faster with the factory stock springs in it. I don't know about you, but I think I definitely much prefer those softer computer springs. Let's see if I can start it over by hand. On. Nearly. Wind it around. No, it doesn't want to. Oh, there we go. Got it over. No, it stopped. Alright, there we have it. The M91 vertical water-cooled hit and miss engine. Anyone got any hints running these? Where to have that needle jet? Even how to play with that needle jet. I'm a steam engine enthusiast. I've branched out onto these and having a bit of fun with these. But I am far from an expert on these little engines. I definitely think that I'm overdoing the fuel mixture with the oil. Just using 2-stroke outboard oil and colouring in just so you can see a faint tint, or maybe going a little bit heavy-handed than that, but you can definitely see the colour in the fuel mix. I'm using Zippo fuel and an Australian equivalent to Coleman's camping fuel. But yeah, if anyone wants to give me any hints, I'd really appreciate it. Any advice on needle jet settings, too much oil in the mix, and anything else. But yeah, just go back. Those springs definitely make it, that these are the factory stock heavy springs. They definitely make it run a lot faster than those lighter springs. I don't know whether the lighter springs, you can buy lighter springs for them. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Bye now.